infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students. This form is often used in the sense of people generally so that the opinion of the world means the general or common opinion of men. His remarks were few and made only to his family and friends, but they were such as the world might have heard with veneration. The expression is also used in other idiomatic phrases, as the medicine did me a world of good. To begin in the world is to enter on the course of business of social life. For instance, when two young people get married and go to live in a house of their own, it is sometimes asked what have they to begin the world with? That is, what property or income have they to depend on now that they are beginning their married life? To rise in the world is to get into a higher or better position in life. The opposite is come down or go down in the world, which means to sink in the social scale. For example, by steadiness and diligence, any man may rise in the world. These people, it is easy to judge from their appearance and manners, have come down in the world.